Today we're going to be taking a look at the Yakima MegaWarrior Extra Large Roof Rack Cargo Basket and Extension, part number Y07080-82. The Yakima MegaWarrior Extra Large Cargo Basket enables you to carry even more luggage than you would with just a plain MegaWarrior, adding about 22 inches to its length. Right now we have it loaded up with luggage, your bike racks, even tire carriers, but it can also carry things such as shovels, jacks, or even have a light bracket attached to it as well. It has all the same features as the MegaWarrior, starting with its fairing installed at the front, which is going to cut down the wind noise and drag while you're driving. It also has this adjustable crossbar, which can be moved along the rack itself to carry Yakima accessories such as the bike rack you see here, or a kayak carrier, or a ski and snowboard carrier. This is very easy to install. It simply clamps around your existing roof rack like you see here, or it can connect to square, round, arrow, and elliptical bars. And if you wanted to, you can actually purchase a locking bracket, which is sold separately on etrailer.com. The cargo basket itself can be adjusted in length along your roof rack, and in this case, clearance is not going to be an issue between our hatch and the cargo carrier or even the bike rack that we have installed. The basket is made from a sturdy galvanized steel construction and has a black powder coat finish on it, which is going to resist rust and corrosion. The basket measures 74 inches long by 48 inches wide, by 6.5 inches tall. It has a carrying capacity of 130 pounds, although always double check with your vehicle's manual to make sure your roof can withstand those weights. This can carry up to 4 bikes, or up to 2 bikes and 1 kayak, or 1 canoe, or up to 2 bikes and a Yakima Big Powder Hound, which is the ski and snowboard carrier, or up to 3 kayaks and 1 bike. Another advantage about this roof basket is if you don't want to use it in its extra long fashion here, you can take out the extension piece and shorten it down. When comparing this with other products, one that comes up is the Curt Roof Mounted Cargo Basket, part number C18115-117. Both of these have the same advantages of being able to shrink them down to a smaller size if that's what you need. However, as far as length and width are concerned, the Yakima has a slight advantage with it being 74 inches long by 48 inches wide. The Curt is 62.5 inches long by 37 inches wide. The Curt does, however, have a higher carrying capacity with 150 pounds. Now that we've gone over some of the features of the cargo basket, let's go ahead and show you how it installs. We have it set right now on our table here, and you may need an extra set of hands to set this on your roof rack. I would like to point out though, when you have a crossbar spread, you want to make sure it's at a minimum of 36 inches to a maximum of 60 inches. Now as we get this up here, you want to line up the crossbars with these inner portions here. Next we'll take our support bracket and line it up on top of our roof rack and push it into place. We'll repeat this for our other 3 points. Next we'll take our metal support bracket, making sure that this curved end here goes over our center bar on the rack itself. And again, we'll repeat this for every connection point. Next we'll install the bottom bracket. You see one has a square hole, and that's going to be for our carriage bolt. And the other hole is going to be for our T-bolt. And when you install that through, you want to make sure that the T is facing this direction, because if not, it'll go straight through. I'm going to install that towards the rear of the vehicle. We'll come up underneath, put our bolts through, and then take our turn knobs, install those on top, and we'll repeat this for our other locations as well, until they're completely tightened down. Now that we have everything tightened down and secure, we can start loading up our gear. And there you have it for the Yakima MegaWarrior Extra Large Roof Rack Cargo Basket and Extension, part number Y07080-82.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.